A full-scale war between the United States and Iran remains unlikely at this stage. However, geopolitical reality shows that conflicts rarely move from tension directly to peace. They often evolve through intermediate phases. One of those phases is limited military engagement. In this scenario, both sides avoid total war, but increase military pressure through targeted strikes and strategic retaliation. These actions are designed to send signals, not to occupy territory, but to demonstrate capability. Limited conflict allows states to test red lines without crossing into irreversible escalation. It creates leverage while attempting to maintain control. But control in conflict is never guaranteed. If limited strikes occur, they would most likely focus on high-value targets. These could include military infrastructure, supply chains, command centers, or strategic assets. Precision becomes the priority. Modern warfare is increasingly technology-driven. Drone operations, satellite intelligence, cyber disruption, and long-range missile systems. These tools allow engagement without full mobilization. The objective is deterrence through impact. However, every strike increases the probability of retaliation, and retaliation increases uncertainty. In such environments, miscalculation becomes the biggest risk factor. Even a small tactical error can escalate rapidly. A limited conflict between the United States and Iran would not remain isolated. Energy markets would react immediately. Oil prices could fluctuate sharply. Global investors would adjust risk exposure. Regional actors would reposition strategically. Alliances would be tested. The biggest danger is spillover. Proxy groups could become involved. Neighboring states could feel pressure. And what begins as targeted engagement could expand geographically. History proves that containment requires constant communication. Without diplomatic channels, escalation becomes harder to manage. Scenario 2 represents controlled conflict. But controlled does not mean stable.